Asus is back with a bang with its premium gaming smartphone, the Asus ROG Phone 3, because its details have been listed on Geekbench. So you might be asking when it's gonna launch, what are its specs, and what is its price. So I am here to answer all your questions. But before starting the video, if you are new, do support us by subscribing to our channel to never miss any update from the Techno brothers. So now talking about its specifications, it has a 6.59-inch Super AMOLED display supporting 144Hz. It has Snapdragon 865 chipset, but sources say just like the previous ROG Phone 2, this phone will also have an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 865. It will also have Google Stadia installed. Now a beast smartphone comes with a beast battery backup. So it has 6000 mAh battery with quick charge 4.0. Now talking about its camera, it will have triple camera setup with 64MP primary camera and 32MP front camera with punch hole display. It will have under display fingerprint sensor with Gorilla Glass 6 protection on both sides. Not only that, it will also have air triggers like the previous ROG phones. Sources also say that as it is a gaming smartphone, so it will have a special vapor chamber to keep it cooled during gaming. It will be launched in 3 variants, namely 8GB RAM with 256GB memory, another is 12GB RAM with 512GB memory, and it also has a special edition with 16GB RAM with 1TB memory. Sources also say that this phone is expected to be launched on the month of July. Now talking about the most important segment, that is the price of this smartphone. The base variant will be priced somewhere around Rs 40,000. So this was it guys. If you like this video, please do like this video and please share with your friends and family, and do support us by subscribing to the Techno brothers and put the notifications bell to all to never miss any update from the Techno brothers. Bye.